Welcome to the Suerte del Molino farm, Andalusia in Spain. Here we farm with water. We are planting water. It is a crop that takes its time to bear any fruit. So we are in for the long haul. Let's see. Here is one canal that goes to the distribution pond. And there is a block that I can remove. There are stones for me to build a kind of spillway so that the water comes this way. That will be done in the next few days. Then we have another canal. Perhaps the main reason for this huge undertaking is to get the water up here and then on contour as high as possible on the land. So we have used this before with tubes and it worked well. I completed this end. It is not too permanently done because I'm sure I'm going to make alterations once I see how it's working. This is the old erosion gully, and this is our canal number 3. And this is a huge loop because I found these boulders here that I cannot move, and it's actually good. I don't want the water to flow too fast. And there is another block there I can remove. It's half filled with concrete. It's extremely heavy, and more stones for me to build another exit, a spillway for the water. Here we have a huge canal with exit to this country road where it can flow. This is our official spillway. So should we have a lot of water, then we can use this. 2 blocks I can remove. I will still complete the head here. This is our 2-year project, slowly coming to an end. And there's no rush because it appears that there's no rain in October on our land. Then the question might be, why such small canals? It's because this culvert is small. Even if it's full, obviously it causes erosion. I am well prepared with rocks, and so it is not unlimited, the amount of water that can come in here. It is limited by the size of that culvert. So the idea is the water comes in, drops on the rocks, come through the gate that I will complete, and then hit the second set of boulders. Water goes in waves, and then should it really be a lot of water, it can hit this rock wall. Then if the spillway is closed, depending which other canal is open, then the water can leave. As I've mentioned, the main aim of all this work is to get the water as high as possible through there, and I'm looking forward to that. That's why there is no stop block, no way to close that, because this is the one I want open all the time. The others I want to manipulate. Going down here, I have been wondering for 2 years how to distribute the water. Should it go through the old erosion gully? It causes lots of erosion. Now it can go in 3 different directions, and we've tested it last year and it works well. And these canals, as soon as they are wet, I can actually dig them by hand, shape them the way I want them to be, so I'm not worried about that. They're also big enough because we don't have unlimited amount of water coming through the culvert. It's restricted to the size of the culvert. The water coming through the distribution pond down here, I've closed now on the right, and as soon as I complete the work of the excavator, I'll bring it through here and close there on the left. This soil here will go that way as well, and then the water will come this way. I will close here as well, and then we have used this before. When all the water came down here, this upper part was quite stable, but the moment it dipped down and accelerated the flow of the water, the erosion started from here. This is all the erosion, but the new canal will go up here. This will all be closed, and we'll go there where the dogs are, right to the other side. I will be exposed as I will be tested and proven wrong or right by the rain, the water, but it's fine. I am confident that it can work, perhaps not 100%, but a huge improvement on what it was in the past. Just erosion, losing lots of land and water, and now all of this will benefit from this new system. A lot of clouds, a lot of pressure, something we have to get used to. There's no more hot, dry days, but cooler, humid, lots of cloud, lots of pressure in the air. Something new. Hopefully there will be some rain soon, but according to the weather forecast, maybe only in November. We are patiently waiting. We want to plant more water. Till next time, goodbye.